What are they doing, Carly?
They're ripping that thing down.
They are?
Yeah.
What for?
For the birds can't get on there.
The pigeons?
No.
Where do they go?
They go in that building.
What are they doing now?
They're ripping that thing down. That's bad. Bad, bad.
Where are the birds gonna go?
Nowhere.
Oh,
They can stay in this house.
they can stay in here,
Yeah.
but they can't stay out there now because they're breaking in.
Yeah. They're ripping the whole thing out.
Oh no!
No, they're not. They're not.
And the birds,
They can live right there.
they can live up there.
Yeah?
Well, they're going to fix that too, so they can't get up there.
No, not ripping that down.
They're going to tear that. They're going to fix that.
That number thing way over there. Not that.
Where's all the pretty birds going to go? We can't watch the pigeons.
I can see the pigeon.
Where will they go?
Right there. Way on that top.
Huh?
Can we just